a big boat over there. No idea what kind of boat it is, but it looks huge. It's amazing, eh? We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. I would love to do some fishing here, you know. But the thing is, you know, like if I'm on a small boat, I get really seasick. But yeah, I love Sulawesi, man. Sulawesi for fishing was absolutely amazing. It's well, it's basically the best fishing I've ever done before in my life. So I'm seriously thinking of getting like a holiday home over there and getting some canoes out there and just starting to because the sea is a lot calmer than it is here, you know, like a lot calmer. Absolutely nothing as far as the eye can see. Nothing. I'm happy I'm not smoking anymore either, or else I would be here a lot more. I should arrive in about 10 hours. I should arrive in Surabaya. So yes. Thank you for watching, and well, if you like my videos, give it a like, give me a comment, tell me where should I go next. I'm in Indonesia, I'm on a bike, and I can go anywhere there I want to. My plan is actually now to go to the Maluku, to the Moluccan Islands. That's the plan. But we'll see. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.